Hare Krishna, dear devotees. ISKCON Mahavidyalaya, IBM, has been offering the devotees around the world many opportunities to get nourished in our Krishna consciousness. So they are planning for more, as they always do. And now we are planning for nourishing devotees' Krishna consciousness by sharing some of the wealth our acharyas have left behind. So we are going to discuss Bhajan Rahasya, which is coming very soon, and we're inviting all of you to please take full advantage and nourish your Krishna consciousness. Many devotees have been having a lot of misunderstandings or misfeelings with this one, thinking that we are not nourishing devotees' Krishna consciousness as much as possible. But that is not true. It is not true. It is just that most of us are lazy and we're not taking full advantage of what is available. So this is one of the things we want to do to help devotees by sharing Śrīla Bhaktivinoda Ṭhākura's Krishna conscious wealth she has left behind for us. Bhajan Rahasya. Rahasya means something which is confidential, something which is mysterious, something which is secret. Not a secret as you understood, open secret. It's an open secret. How to perform our bhajan. A confidential bhajan means bhajan which has intimate connection with Krishna, which will connect us intimately with Krishna, which will show us how to release, how to move forward in our Krishna consciousness. Connection with Krishna, which will connect us intimately with Krishna, which will show us how to release, how to move forward in our Krishna consciousness. So we are preparing for this, and we're inviting all of you, please take full advantage of this and enjoy yourself in Krishna consciousness. And please tell others to join us. Hare Krishna.